Greetings, beloved beings of the new earth. Happy 1010 portal. Today, as I was preparing for our transmission, we had two massive earthquakes coming in the Heart of Lemuria, so I wanted to get out this quick video. It's going to take me several hours to record, edit, and upload our full transmissions, so I wanted to get out this information earlier than our normal transmission time. Here we had two massive earthquakes. Here we had a trinity down in the Andes Mountains, Kundalini of Pachamama. See how this spreads across here. Argentina 4-4. This is on the border with Chile. Into Bolivia 4-6 and into Chile 4-2. But the most powerful today, you see we had 122 M1.5 or greater. Most powerful 6.2 Hawaiian ocean view. Hawaii in the heart of Lemuria. Here we go. This is close to the Kilauea volcano, the big island here. You could see we had a 4 right in a row. 6-2, 2148 UTC, 18.82 latitude, 155.527 longitude, 35 kilometers depth, 555 portal. We had a 4.3, 3.1, and then another 3-3, and a powerful 6-1. Two massive earthquakes, strong earthquakes, strike off the coast of the Big Island. You can see the Big Island here. 6.2, 6. And 6.1 were recorded on this 1010 powerful portal. We have massive waves coming in. We had the 6.1 that struck about 17 miles south of Nealehu. 6.2 magnitude about 20 minutes later in the same area. We can see close to the Kilauea, the quake was about 22 miles deep. At least 6 aftershocks were reported immediately following the initial earthquake. The strongest being the 4.3 with the aftershock, but two massive 6-1, 6-2 in the heart of Lemuria. So you may feel these heart palpitations, powerful heart activations, expansions, pressure in the chest, many different things. The Ascension is fully activated, the Rainbow Bridge fully connected. Be sure to join us tonight for our full transmission. We should have out within the next several hours. Have a most beautiful, blessed 1010 portal. We'll see you on the next video. I am Paul White Gold Eagle from PrimeDisclosure.com. Have a most beautiful, blessed day. The Eagle and the Condor love you all. Namaste.